don't wear mine like that. I wear mine like that.
How about open it? It's a little way. Just keep those on.
Yeah, I'm just thinking.
I have plenty of them.
Okay. All right, come here, let me touch you.
What's in here?
This is change.
Okay.
This is cute. Thank you.
If she wanna wear them.
I'm missing it.
Well, we love Amazon. I keep telling Jojo to get gifts that she wanted. Medium.
I told her before.
No, I was asking you should have taken a picture.
Thank you. I told her before. But I didn't do it.
Whoever brought me this bag, I wanted this bag. I didn't get that bag.
Do that have your name on it, too?
Oh, they have. Hey, I'm glad you can make it, baby. Thank you. Hello. Calm down.
Oh, come on.
Okay, it's for my job.
That's mine.
And they brought me down. Yeah, but I'm a cracker bottle.
Oh,
Wide way.
okay.
Reggie, no. You're not getting
Yes, I'm about to put some on my business.
You won't have your lips on that.
There you go.
She won't give us Jose Cuervo.
Oh, shit.
That's what it said.
That's what I said it said. Hold on, this is another one. I see what the other one is. Might be the same. It's the same. It's a ring, a finger with a ring on it. That's cute.
Let me see.
Never have enough glasses.
You got down to see you.
Daddy. Listen, oh, 'cause it was in your sideways. So nice. Cousin Lisa. It's wrapped. Y'all, nobody can't wrap Lisa. Y'all see it? Get a good picture. It's easy. Great heart and orange. This is pretty now. I don't even want to open it. That was my wish. Good job. Close your eyes. That's how you want to open them.
Right, that's right.
Yeah. This is pretty though.
That is
Look, that's sexy, Miss Chancellor.
Miss Tanzania.
That's sexy. That's sexy one.
Miss Tan?
That's why Miss Chancellor had money.
Oh, yeah.
She had a maid and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, uh-huh.
You can touch it with your glove. Who made that wonderful napkin?
That's so pretty.
Oh, we got I'll do survive.
Who made this fancy for me?
Oh, that's for me to try.
Pretty.
Alright, hold on. Jeff, he's gonna open the door. That's first thing, that ain't gonna open the door.
You said that to them.
Get married good.
It's the card inside, Tanya.
Is the strippers coming?
Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Look, I said I'm waiting.
Celebrate the blessing of your
We
wedding.
done got put out.
Yeah.
We should've
Oh,
got a message to
Tennille, I love you, thank you.
Nice.
Do my
Oh, you
life.
got a lot of wine.
Just so y'all, can we turn this to an AA meeting real quick? Give your stand up and give your name.
She needs charges. Yeah, she needs charges,
Keisha,
bro.
we know. We know. Nobody know Keisha, we know.
Let me take that upstairs. Oh, look, look, look. Tanya, let me take that upstairs.
No, Mom. Have a seat. You sound like Isha. You stand up to this AA meeting. This is so pretty. Do I have to open it?
Ain't it
I
gorgeous?
have to open it. It's beautiful.
That is pretty.
It got some alcohol in here, it got some
Candle.
lingerie.
Who made this for me? I feel so special.
That is pretty.
Takia, I'm gonna call you next time. I want your price.
I made it.
That's why I thought maybe she did.
She didn't make it this time, I did.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, this
That is so cute.
pretty.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't want to
Different.
open it.
Don't open it.
I do have,
You don't have to
on my
open it.
phone, I have a couple gifts. Pebbles gave me a Victoria's Secret card gift. Nikki gave me a Victoria's Secret card gift. So if y'all see me in the cash bar selling panties, mind your
Yo, you know. Oh,
I'm gonna have my big pocketbook. Face I'm coming when you working. At my side. On your wedding shower. Nope. I'm getting ready to go.
Party's over.
And wishing you the best. Uncle Johnny and Christina.
Where we going?
Somewhere. Thank you. Love you.
Thank you.
Somebody come on this
Back and back.
I'm trying to stop working.
Give me that board.
Mel wrote this. My girlfriend Mel, who was just here, so Mel, had the pleasure of meeting my grandmother. And so ever since she met my grandmother and she knew how close we was, my name has been Tanya Mildred. 17 years, you know, and that's what she put on here, Tanya Mildred. And when she calls me, she say Tanya Mildred, it makes me feel special because I think about Ron at that time. A gift for you to relax. Oh, it's like a nail bar. I'm a nail bar right now.
I know, I worked fine on them fruit kebabs.
Nice.
Yeah,
I'm gonna use this from when I come back.
Like, boy, somebody.
Yeah, because if you didn't know, I do her nails now.
I'm going to the nail bar.
Hello?
The last nail chip.
Let me call you on
And
the
ladies, if you guys think your nails done, my niece does do nails.
When I moved back here, right, Taylor had first started doing nails. We sat at my mom's table, and Jameer sat there with us, right? He said, "Why my mom got all those lumps in her nails?" You need to go back and start your nails. You shouldn't walk around like that. You should take that off. Taylor, she got lumps. It was so funny. She tried to work. We had all this set, the nail dust all on the table trying to get it up before my mom got home from work. And she's like, "Oh, Mom, you need to do that."
Emma's not add them to our cart.
Yup, Amazon card from my cousin Lay.
Y'all love Amazon? Amazon, Target,
I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, they're not gonna be gonna order 4 things off of Amazon. I'm gonna be like, I got a package downstairs.
we all be taking each other's stuff on like saving for later, saving for later.
Isn't it so though how Amazon has everything?
Everything.
Everything, like anything you put on, it has everything. Hey. See you later. My way, y'all, she sells cars, if y'all wanna buy them, she sells Ollie's mail. Yeah.
What was it?
Kia, she was sitting right there in the corner. Yeah. May the love that fills your heart today fill your heart forever. Love, Kia Turner. Oh, Kia, thank you. I ain't going to work for so long. Got me another $100.
With a baby shower.
For your shower, so much joy ahead of you, so much love surrounds you. Oh, Tracy, so happy to be celebrating your wedding shower and your future filled with love. Congrats, love always, Tracy. Y'all, Tracy is my childhood friend. Like, y'all have no idea how far back and the fun that Tracy and I have shared through the years. And it don't matter like where we go or how long we don't talk, like our love still remains the same. And I love Tracy for that. We'll be somewhere, don't get mad, because we'll get to holler across the room at each other like, I say time, they be like, oh yeah, that's how it is. Listen y'all, Tracy had a grandma, Tracy's grandma called me the loud one.
I thought I was the loud
She
one.
said, what's your loud friend? And Tracy's grandma, she couldn't have company, but I could come in, and Tasha could come in, and John could come in.
That was it.
That was it. Don't come in there, she gonna know somebody different was up in there. That's the, that's the back in the day being raised to what's going on now. You ain't gotta act like that. This is history. Y'all need to listen to it. That's what's wrong with you. Showering you with love. Aww. Cousin Lisa. This is Ben's cousin Lisa, guys.
Hi,
Cousin Lisa. For your wedding shower, your wish to marriage filled with joy and a life together surrounded by love. Congratulations. Oh, thank you. Congratulations. Because they want me to say it. Don't sit right there. They swear on this headache. Did you open this? Because some of this stuff is open.
Yes, Councilwoman says. She already was on the corners over there, watch her.
Keisha, keep your eye on her. As you look forward to spending forever with the one you love the most, it's time for lots of happy wishes and sparkling champagne toast. Cheers and congrats. Sharice, y'all know who Sharice is?
Yes, our sister.
Sharice is my sister, not by birth.
Your favorite mom.
Yes, Lil Leaker, we shared, she had a baby for me.
She had a baby for me. She had a Thanksgiving.
This is my event. Keisha has a hard time accepting that I'm Leaker's favorite aunt.
I'm Leaker's favorite aunt.
I'm only Leaker's favorite aunt because of the money and stuff. And that is not true. Bullshit. He loves me genuinely. And but he don't even like to drive my car. Anytime. And he can take me to work. He can be late picking me up. Not tell him.
Like he's lying, he doesn't love you.
And so Keisha says, well, you only his favorite aunt for that. Well, I was the first one to change his pamper.
Now, Tanya ain't want to be the favorite aunt since actually changing days was over. You know, I was there from day one. I was in the muck. I came home, I left college to come home and see my nephew.
Yeah.
And took him to college with me. Nick was right next
You
to
have
him with me.
college for everything.
My nephew was Snooty.
Wait a minute. You take Keisha to school.
I feel special.
They dropped Keisha on the side. I said, this is on the west side. I just took my sister to the Acme and dropped her off at Timber and helped her carry her groceries in. And I don't think she know how to catch the train. Guess who was wrong? She was on the west side.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Is him calling me? Who's calling me?
Girl, who knew we was on the
Ty,
business?
Your mom.
Ty,
She put her things on her.
Outside.
That must be crying.